Knock, knock.
Welcome to Hoodwash News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Get out of there. Get out of there. I got your license plate.
Hey, what you doing on my porch? Somebody stole the second. Yo, get off my porch. What is wrong? I don't know that is. Yeah.
I wouldn't do that if I was y'all. Get from my door.
They're looking more like porch roaches.
I'm calling the police. I see you. I'm calling the police. Bring my shit back.
Let me know what you guys think about this one. If it were true, why would he give it up so easy?
Yes. Yes, my stuff. Thank you. Choice.
Don't forget to keep those doors locked. Try not to keep any valuables or weapons in the car, just in case.
Hey! Call the cops right now. Call the cops. Good thing you had nothing. I just cleaned the car. Hello? Hello? Maddie, is that you? Hello?
Check this guy out. He comes onto this porch and ends up taking a Fetty nap.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to...
¿A quién busca? ¿A quién buscas? ¿Qué se te ofrece?
Hey, what you doing? Hey, what you doing on my porch? I don't know who the fuck that is. Yeah, what the fuck you looking for?
Don't let these thieves ruin your Christmas and make theirs. Redirect your packages to the best place possible. You already know what to do.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Yo. What you doing over here? You don't live here, bro. You gotta go that way. You from Trinity?
Nah, I'm Jones.
Huh?
I'm Jones.
Yeah, you gotta go that way, bro. You don't live over here.
Nah, I do it. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. Was this guy genuinely lost, or was he up to something? The homeowner feels like he was in danger.
What's up?
Hey, I'm not sure if I'm in the right. What is it?
No, you're not in the
Oh,
right address.
I'm not sure about the right address. What is it?
You're not in the
I
right
can't hear
address.
you. Oh, I apologize. Thank you.
Get the fuck away right now. I'm warning you. Get out of my driveway right now. I'm warning you. He has a checkered sweater. Checkered sweater with a. No. He looks young, like 20. Not, I don't know, like 6 feet. He's going down to the street now because I warned him to leave. He's
Yo, who's that? Yo, who's that? Yo. Call 911.
Who is it?
Face.
Who?
Face.
Who?
Face. Dina.
Wrong person, wrong house.
Oh, sorry.
Happy holidays to everyone. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Please be safe out there and guard yourself at all times. I'll see you in the next one. Also, drop some comments for me. I really enjoy reading them all.
Knock knock. Hello. Excuse me. Can I please pay you?
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Thank you for watching Hoodwash News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.